I hope you had a fantastic weekend. This is Tesla on the 5-minute time frame. Here are your price targets for Monday. We ended the week at $445, up 2.11%. To the north side takes us to one level of resistance and a potential take profit area at roughly 450. This is an area we've been to before. Above that, at 3 standard deviations, 453.23, and 4 standard deviations, and another level of resistance and another potential take profit area, 456.49. I don't think we will get to this level, but down the road perhaps. The middle of the trend is now 443.45, very close to this line that I marked out on Wednesday, December the 10th. I will delete it. Too close to each other. Now that is one level of support. I will anticipate a bounce off of that or that we grind sideways. Hopefully we'll continue this leg up here, but I will expect some consolidation. We hit resistance and then now we're falling back down. And the RSI is still turning down on the 5. -2 standard deviations, 437.06, 433.92, and another level of support and a potential buy-in area as well as a potential stop loss area, 430.42. Note the clear buy-in signal down here as well as here, and then that's your clear sell signal. Now we have a baby gap here. Not talking about the store either. Okay, that is going to take us to, let me make sure that's correct. That will take us to roughly 450.99. And well, really quickly, this gap closed to the south side at 439.05. That was on Monday, January the 5th. All right, we hit the 1-year price target at 413. Excuse me, already. Now the target to the south side is 413.75, which represents a 7% decrease from where we are. And then, yeah, really, $43 in your wildest dreams ain't gonna happen. Now, even Tsla will get to 43. Right now it's at 36 something. The max, it says, is going to $600. That would be super fantastic because I am in this trade as well as Tsla. And while I'm here, let me just show you the daily very quickly. Okay, this is a hot mess because I've tracked this thing so many times. But notice, Trader Marat and I have tracked this, I don't know, in the 180s, it looks like. Back over here. Yeah, that's crazy. Even less, I think. 137, yeah. All right, where are we? We are at 445. 445-ish. I know it's hard to see, but the next leg up from here would take us to 540. 599, so that will be 4 standard deviations, a long ways off. But that's where the analysts say we are headed, and we are turning up on the 5. Now let me turn this over to recap something. Wait, Sndk, is that right? Sndk, yeah. Now I just talked about this. Stay on page, option R, with Trader Marat, who pointed this ticker out at 334.54, and now we are at a whopping 377.41. Unreal. But watch out, we are overextended on the RSI. Let's go back to the 5, and I'll show you what happened. So when he pointed this out, oops, I'll move that that was, I did a video on Thursday, and let me move this out of the way. So this is resistance, which I pointed out. We sliced through it, and then now we're just grinding up. And the RSI is still turning up, so one leg up is 392.15, 407.03, 422.95, 331.25, 316.72, 299.07 for a pullback, support, potential buy-in, potential stop loss. Depends on where you purchase this. And then again, the 1-year price target is 410. Back to the chart. So congrats if you were in this trade and made a little bit of money there. That is fantastic. Actually, let me just do one thing. Here to here is a return of roughly 12%. So that's Thursday and then Friday. One whopping day. Unbelievable. All right, so watch out for a pullback though, because we are getting to this level for a pullback and then possibly another leg up. But we have these landmines to the south side as well. And that does it for me. Have a great trading week.